2021 Toyota Camry microfilter replacement. Alright Brian, so show us the filter first. It's a microguard filter.
Quality, made in the USA.
Nice brand new seal.
Looks like it's got something on it, charcoal or...
Is there an arrow that shows which way to put it?
Yes.
Alright, so let's not forget where this arrow goes. Open the glove box. Remove whatever's in the glove box.
And we got clip.
Take that out.
Then again, the clip. You gotta pinch these. Just like that.
Just look a little bit down. So what did you squeeze?
So we're pinching this together, getting it out, and then it just pops out.
Nice.
Okay. It's got our arrow letting us know which way to put that filter.
Oh, that filter's looking kind of brown.
Oh yeah. A lot of debris in the pleats. That's what I always say.
Yeah, valid.
Interestingly, arrows up on this, the old filter was pointing down. You can tell the debris. I think it should go down actually. The debris was on top.
It doesn't really matter that much. It's gonna filter either way. It's mainly just if someone ever takes this out, if they put it up the wrong way, then the blower motor will start sucking things up. So we'll do it the Genius Brian way.
Well, actually, I put it up.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, back in. Same way. It's gonna seem a little loose in there. When we put the lid on, it's gonna push this up. That's what these little tabs are for. It's gonna slide under and take that filter up the rest of the way. Get these in the holes. Think. Do I know what I'm doing? No.
This is the tricky part.
You go in.
The filter pushed in all the way?
That is a good question. You know, it doesn't look like it.
Put it out.
There's something I'm not here. There it is. And it's all at that 0.3. You know,
Maybe it needs
I feel like something
a master to do it.
I'm very wrong here.
Alright, Brian, let me give it a shot. Maybe it needs to mention a master mechanic, ASE certified.
Something is so wrong.
What does ASE stand for?
Automotive Service Excellence.
Nice.
You know, it's not all the way. Something on that side. There it is. Now it's flush.
I don't know, just hold it every time. Oh, there you go.
Wow. Well, I think if we did this every day, we wouldn't have to look. You gotta get these ears in here. Nice. You don't forget the most important part.
Don't want to lose that.
Put everything back like you were never there.
Alright, let's test the AC now. Nice. Look at that airflow.